Every parent carries a responsibility, but for solo parents, that responsibility is carried alone.
In the Philippines, their strength is recognized and protected through Republic Act 8972 or the Solo Parents Welfare Act of 2000 and its expanded version, Republic Act 11861, enacted in 2022. These laws ensure that solo parents and their children receive the support, protection, and opportunities they rightfully deserve. Across the Philippines, the number of solo parent families continues to rise. Recent national data of the SWD estimates that there are around 14 to 15 million solo parents in the country, many of whom face daily economic and emotional challenges. Without adequate support, these families are more vulnerable to poverty, stress, and limited opportunities. And that is why the government enacted these laws to provide protection, expand support systems, and ensure that solo parents and their children are not left behind. Because when we support solo parents, we build stronger families and a stronger nation. So who are considered solo parents under the law?
A widowed parent or a parent left alone due to the death of the spouse, now solely responsible for raising the children. A separated parent or a parent left alone with the responsibility of parenthood due to legal separation from spouse for at least 1 year, as long as he or she is entrusted with the custody of the children. Abandoned parent or a parent who has been left solo with the responsibility of parenthood due to abandonment of a spouse for at least 1 year. Unmarried mother or father, or a parent who chooses to keep, raise, and care for their child independently. Parent of a child born from rape, a mother who bravely raises her child despite traumatic circumstances. Spouse of detained, or a parent left solo with the responsibility of parenthood while the spouse serving sentence for a criminal conviction for at least 1 year. Spouse of an incapacitated partner, or a parent left solo with the responsibility of parenthood due to physical and or mental incapacity of spouse as certified by a public medical practitioner. Spouse of an OFW, or a guardian caring for children while the OFW parent is away for a long period of time. Grandparents or legal guardians who step in to raise children due to absence or loss of parents. Pregnant solo parent, or a woman who carries and prepares to raise her child on her own. But only solo parents with children or dependents living with and supported by them who are unmarried, unemployed, and 22 years old or below or older if they have a disability or are still studying are eligible for benefits under the law. In addition, solo parents whose income falls below the poverty threshold set by NEDA and as assessed by a DSWD social worker are qualified to receive assistance. If these conditions are no longer met, they will no longer be eligible to receive benefits under this act. To support solo parents, the law provides a comprehensive package of benefits. Employment benefits. Solo parents are entitled to flexible work schedules and protection against workplace discrimination. Parental leave. They are granted 7 days of parental leave with pay each year, giving them time to care for their children. Educational benefits. Scholarships and educational assistance are provided to help both solo parents and their children build a better future. Housing benefits. Solo parents are prioritized in government housing programs, making safe shelter more accessible. Health and medical support. Solo parents have access to healthcare programs and automatic PhilHealth coverage. Child support services. Child-minding centers are encouraged to support working solo parents in caring for young children. Financial assistance. Qualified solo parents may receive monthly cash subsidies of 1,000 pesos per month as well as 10% discounts on essential child needs. Social safety assistance. During disasters and crises, solo parents are given priority access to food, medicine, and financial aid.
comprehensive package of social development and welfare services. This DSWD package will initially include livelihood development services, counseling services, and parent effectiveness services for solo parents. And with the passage of the Expanded Solo Parents Welfare Act of 2022 or the Republic Act 11861, stronger systems were introduced to improve the delivery of services and benefits. First is the Solo Parent Identification Card or the SPIC.
The amended law provides for the issuance of a solo parent identification card which serves as official proof for qualified individuals to access government benefits, discounts, and services.
Behind the implementation of these laws are social workers, bridges of hope and service. They assess and identify eligible solo parents, ensuring that benefits reach those who truly need them. They provide counseling, they connect clients to essential services, and most importantly, they empower solo parents, helping them rebuild stability, dignity, and hope. Now is the time to stand with every solo parent. Know the rights of solo parents, support their journey, be part of change.